I want to give you, try to give you an example of how we rise out of nature and how we create the schism. Not that we have a problem, we are the problem. Not that we have an ego, we are the ego. We are that which separates from nature. So if you think about this, sandy beach, and you create a human sculpture. You make the sculpture in sand of a human being. If that sculpture were able to become self-aware, it had the mechanics, the biology, whatever, that sculpture would look at itself and say, I am. And I know that I am because I'm not that one over there or that one over there. And it would, in a sense, come into being as that which is aware of itself as separate from the other sculptures. Yet, it's not separate at all. It is the sand in a form aware of itself. And it doesn't exist without everything else. It arises from it, becomes self-aware, and then thinks it is its own self, independent from the rest. D.T. Suzuki used the example of a wave. A wave rises up out of the ocean, becomes aware of itself, looks around, sees other waves, sees that they come into being and go out of being, thus it will happen to them, has anxiety about that, but in effect, the wave itself, by itself, never existed independently. It was always an expression of the ocean. The same way the sand sculpture is just an expression of sand. And the same way we are an expression of nature that sets itself outside of nature. Nature trying to go back and find itself. As Carl Sagan once said, we are the universe in search of itself. Please consider this.